Come on, dude. All right, guys, 44 now. You guys see that? That was pretty hefty size, guys. All right. All right, guys. That's a huge win. Huge win. Huge win, guys. Huge win. I got oversized, but all good now. All good now, guys. Bang. 217 just got filled. 2,000 shares. Now I'm down to 100 shares. I was oversized, guys. Oversized. I mean, I went berserk. Accident. Okay, I was trying to take 4,500 shares out. And guess what? I added 377. That's beautiful. 49, and you should have kept some more, guys. You should have kept some more, because in just one play, I drew $5,000, guys. I have 100 shares still left. I could tell this was going to fall apart. I waited patiently, guys. Happy accident. That's right. Happy accident. 372, I got added. I had a really good average of 89. And freaking my average became 377. I was already in with 6,000 shares. I was like in with almost 60% position, 65% position. And instead of covering, I ended up adding right at 372 and make my average 377. I'm like, what the heck? But then I held my fort. I didn't move up. You guys see that, right? You guys saw that live. I did not buzz. I did not buzz. I said like 45 it is. 45 it is. 45, then 28, and then finally 20. Now I'm down to 100 shares. A good accident. But I knew it was coming. This was going to go fade. Because it was the makeup, you know. I could see the first two candle. Look at how big the sell was. I knew that they had no chance. I was a little bit unedgy. It did 50 and then went back to 64. I'm like, what the heck? But all good. All good, guys. All good. Hey, if one win can give me 5K, this is a little bit bigger account. Yesterday I played in a smaller account and it still ended up 14 something. Today I'm going to start with a little bigger account. I'm going to play a little bit bigger. I'm going to play. Yesterday my goal was to play only like 12,000. Today I'm going to play up to 30,000 equity per trade. Anywhere between 15 to 30. That would be my goal. So, how many people made good money on that? Besides, Pete did really awesome. Last cut 21. That's the way I like it. I didn't even have to tell, and you guys did awesome, guys. Awesome. Sony did 87. Mark didn't put anything. He was the one who was asking. He didn't take it probably. But that was awesome, guys. This is going fade, right? You know that. This is going red. PRGO has lots of volume coming in. It is going to be one of those Israeli stock that runs like crazy. They're going to make that as an example. So Mark did 377 to 330. I'm so proud. Everybody got it. Awesome, guys. Guys, can you check if YouTube and Twitter or Insta, everything is working properly? Should be working. Oh, great way to start, man. I usually take 4 plays or 3 plays to get to 4,500. My heart was like just. But it was a good accident though. The last one was a good accident, 371. That actually literally took me over the top. That added me 4,500 in the wrong place. Okay, it was the wrong place. 34% up only. I was like, Jesus. But it was A plus. And I was looking at it that it's gonna fade. Wow, good play. Great play actually. Hey, we can quit pre-market now. I'm just kidding. So guys, anybody watching, welcome to our live feed, HammerXTrader. We trade live from 8 Eastern to almost 4, but we try to wrap it up by 2 o'clock. And just had one play so far, not tempted in PRZO. PRZO I know is a long. It's a long because they pump. It's not because of the news. I know PRZO very, very well. That's holding, it's gonna dip, it's gonna shoot up. Look out PRZO. PRZO is a long. AMX every pike is a short, even 340, but again, it's 18%. Only our teammate Linda can do that one. I wouldn't take 18% and try to dump it, but it is gonna dump. It is gonna dump all. It's a dump all kind of stock. PRZO is going to run, guys. PRZO is going to run. 242 is a number to short. If it crosses, it already crossed 5 million, not going to touch it. Not going to touch it. It's a long. PRZO is a long. And it's a wild long. It's a wild one. It is a wild one. You want to take it, get on the ride, stop out at 210. It's a wild one. PRZO. I'll wait for the right play. I started a little bit late. I should have started at 7:45. Even though I give you guys time at 8, 7:45, 7:35 is ideal. Well done, guys. PRZO, I'm telling you, it's a long. It's a very long. 500,000 candles are coming in. You think it's a mistake? Heck no. It's a pump. Just to prove it, I'll take 1,000 shares on a dip here somewhere. I'll go with 1,500 shares on a bigger account. On a long. Let's buy this at 24. Buy this at 24. Let's see if I can get it. I should have gone long already. I don't think I'll get it. It's 25% up. This is coordinated. In fact, you should chase it. You should chase it. Let's chase this thing. Oh, come on. Yes. I should have gotten a better average at 30. But yeah, it's going. It's breakout mode. It's a long, guys, all right? This is an area it breaks down. Daily level. I'll tell you where daily level is going to be. Right around 269. 269, guys. I could have gotten a better average. I knew it was long. I'm just fooling around with it. There you go. There should be a dip right around here, guys. So I'm going to sell right around here. Half of it or more than half, guys. Come on. One more. One more. Oh boy, why? Yes. All right. So I sold it, guys, half. I've sold half of my size. Started with 36, sold it at 56. But I know my longs, I know my stocks, okay? I pay attention to every single stock. And it's going to dip. That's why I sold it. I can buy it back. I could have done it at 30. I needed 23 cents to make 10%. That's exactly what I needed. And I told you dip is going to happen. What did I say? I know my stocks. I know my areas. Find a more brilliant person who can read price action like this. I tell you where I'm going to sell, and I'm going to tell you where I get in. I should have gotten in at 224, honestly. 254 was coming. That's the dip area. Watch this again. Watch this again. This is going to go up. Did you guys like that one, guys? Did you guys like PRGO, the way I called it? Or the way I read it? That I do that quite often. Almost 80%, 70% accuracy. And it's going to bounce right here. I should have bought it right here. This is going 69. All right, this is going 69. I told you guys, this is going to be dipping. It dipped 20 cents. It's going up again. It's going to go 69. Read my lips. Who was that president who used to say, read my lips? Yeah, I think George Bush Sr., right? You guys remember that one? Senior Bush, he said, read my lips. Louisa remembers. It is going 69, guys. Michael would remember it too. Read my lip. Good morning, Michael. Too bad he got only one term, though. His son got 2 terms. His son was wild. Nice guy, though. Very nice guy. This rejection is not going to be enough where you can be short, okay? This is a long. This is a long. There's the dip, 20 cents, 25 cents dip. Let it come all the way to 26. PRZO is going to go up. I'm buying again. Bought it at 33 this time, 1,500 shares. Watch for the bull flag, watch for the nice pattern. Went 1,500 shares at 233. There's a little more dip possibly. If their best dip is going to be, it's going to be at 23. Stop out is going to be 208, 207. Should run. AMIX went to 350. That was a solid 40 cents short again. I didn't take it, but that was that. That was that. PRZO is generating a lot of interest. You guys see the volume? 900K candle. That is generating a lot of interest. I'll be right back, guys. Just a second. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm already 5% in money, huh? This is possibly going to be one of those crazy ones, depending on the market. I don't know what the future looks like right now. Is it positive? Is it negative? I have to log it in and see what it is. Let me see. I'll have to log in and see. Oh, come on. There we go. Let's log into Yahoo. Best place to log in and see what the future is. Yahoo Finances. Oh, come on. They're in negative.
Small caps.
So a good buy is at 218 also. It's only 24%, so I'm worried a little with this much volume, but this is a good entry area, guys. Dips more, it's even a more buy. Should run. People usually make PRZ or run. Has not run in a while, so I expect this to run. Another Israeli news on behalf of this is that that they have a hostage deal, so that means drone are not going to be as attractive. Okay. Now, guys, under 210 it's a stop. Under 210 it's a stop. Under 210 it's a stop.
Coming up in about 4 minutes, the building permits and housing starts.
That's a full body. Should dip a little bit more.
Small caps.
BTCT. 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 Wow. What's the news on it? Because it is a crypto thing. It's really a short. It's really a short in this area, guys. It's really a short. It is a short. It is a short. Get some locates here, guys. It is a short. Come on up, 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 come on up. Let's go 7 a little. It's not gonna come up that much, I think. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right, all right. All right, come on. 40, 35, 30, guys, 30. All right, 30, guys, cut it. Cut it. Cut it, cut it, cut it. Cut it. That's a 70 cents drop, guys. 70 cents drop on a $7 ticket. That's a good cut. That's a good cut. Make your money. That's a 30 cents right here, guys. That's a good cut. That's a good cut. That's a good cut. That's a good cut, guys. 620. I've also taken 6. Come on. That's a good cut. That's a good cut, guys. Great one. Great one, guys. $7 to $6. How many people were fast enough to do this on BTCT? How many people were fast enough to do this, guys? It was an A+, solid, great work. It was bang, bang, bang. Yeah, we know he's been talking about digital coins altogether. Chase 655 to 610, awesome. Well, you had an ability to take even 690, 670. That's when it was 680, 670 when I said it's a short. Went up to 7, we got it. Hey, nicely up 6K. How about that? Nicely up 6K now. Can't be beat. Can't be beat. Guys, I'm gonna cut half of my size on PRZO because I added there. I just cut it. You guys can see that I cut it for 2 cents, 3 cents profit. Look at PRZO. How good was the entry? Now only half size left. I just made my average better, okay? So if you followed me, I just put it back on the screen because I can only do 2 trades at a time on the screen. At least the whatever, the live screen. So this was pretty brilliant, guys. I'm gonna cut some more right at 288 here. Okay, just cut 2, and here's 340, guys. 340, 345, 352, come on. 354, guys, and that's going to be 12%. So all we know how to make money, guys. Make sure you have taken half a size out as a profit, because you would have added 220s, right? Low 220s. Look at my chart. I know my reads, okay? When I see that how far it's going to dip, it could have gone to 210, no doubt about it. It could have stopped you out, no doubt about it. But I also know my stocks. These type of, I have an accuracy of about 70% on these type of stocks. And on short, like the AMIX, I have an accuracy of 87%. So take it or leave it. Look, you can start cutting your sizes on PRZO. PRZO is still going to hit 54, guys. It's going to hit 54 and 69. Look out. They are not going to weigh 600. Now at this point, you can stop out at 215. So you don't lose anything. You don't lose anything. Anything. 215, you can stop out. All right? Because this time it goes down, it dies. It's going to come up with a big bull flag. That's going to go higher, and which is going to be 269. 14 million volume, right? First one to tell you every dip is a buy on PRZO. Even when the stock was at $2, I told you it's a long. It has paid once. It's going to pay us 2 times. Buys and sells are part of stock. Okay? So when it goes to 244, obviously there's a slight area of selling. Because that's where it fell, remember? To the left, just immediate left. Breaks that area, hits 254. It's going to hit 254. It's at 7% right now. Make sure you have taken half of your size out. And you want a full size win? 215 stop, 255, 269. That's what you want to do. It's setting it up. It's setting it up. %. Come on, PRZO, you have done it before. You've gone crazies before. We need a 700K volume, and this goes to 69. 2 back-to-back candles of 700K. That's what we need. It's 7% in money. This is a battle, man. What is going on? Actually, no buyers are coming. That's what the problem is. Sellers are not there, but they're teasing it. They're teasing it. Because the buyers are not coming. They're teasing it. The buyers are not interested right now at 242. There's literally no buyers. Volume is not coming. But the sellers are not there either. It's like everybody's taking a break right now. Sellers are not there, buyers are not there. Some small people are just trying to do it. Possibly small short people are trying to get in, try to do 240 short because this is an area. That's what they're trying to do. But they're so small that all they need is a one buyer. And this goes flying 20 cents from here, 240 to 269. Guys, you can stop out at 215, okay? All right, 215. Hopefully has a move here. Come on. All of a sudden they disappeared. They have disappeared. It's like nobody's buying, nobody's selling. That means seller, the one that took it to 240, can start taking his profit, and this will fall to 215. Yeah, that's what's happening. The guy who pumped it, he didn't get any traction. He's not getting a traction, but this is a bull flag. 215 is a stop, guys. Market time, you could have easily put a range and you could be like, walk away, but you cannot do that in a pre-market. 215 is a stop, guys. Still, that guy is starting to take profit now. He's not finding any traction, period. The two candles that happened, these two candles, guys, this guy is not finding any traction. So he was trying to tempt here. Now he's like, there's no buyers here, so I'm going to sell. So he's selling. The guy who pumped it 25 cents, he's selling. Probably some of the buyers are like taking a coffee break. If it gets a 15 cents move on a single candle, the second candle will follow. Second candle will follow.
Parrot 40.
Right now, that's a pretty impressive move. It was not a big one, not a that impressive one. So this is again going to fall. This is again going to fall. Oh, now this is a nicer one. 48 now, guys. 48. But this is not a solid one still. It's only 170K. You know, and it needs to be solid and holding. Solid and holding. This is not it. This is some little pumper with the 15K. The solid one needs to be like 600K, and the price needs to go in 17 cents and hold like the one it did just around 5 minutes ago. This is not it. This is a small guy, and he couldn't sustain it. He could not sustain it. This is done for now. That's a hammer. This is done. I'll still take my stop rather than get out. Because price action, you cannot read it like every candle, guys. You have to play your stop, and your level supersedes price action. Very rarely I'll get out of it. You know, I can see the weakness right now. And it's only freaking 28%. If it was 40%, 45%, 50%, 55%, it would make more sense. The volume's kind of really slowed down. Really slowed down. 838, they're probably holding. Nothing else right? So BTCT was just fabulous, guys. We did really awesome with that one. You guys know that one. We did really awesome with AMIX. So what more do we need? We have one really nice long. So we are 3 for 3. We're 3 for 3 this morning and nicely up 6,400. There, BTCT, guys, take some more profit. Take some more profit. I just took more profit on BTCT, guys. BTCT, take a look. More profit, guys, more profit. It's 17%. There you go. Take some more right there. 60. So how many people got BTCT, guys? How many people got BTCT? I'm interested still. You guys make your own rules, right? Mark did. Hey, BTCT gave us a chance to get in. Mark chased it. You should have all chased it. You should have chased it. Everybody should have chased it. It was over 40%. It was an A+, out and out. There's 45 again. Still a very small guy trying to do this on his own. Big guy isn't there. But 47, 48, that is 9%. 49, 50, come on. He's a small guy, so it's going to dip. He's a small guy. 400K, it's a 600K is what needs to be. Come on, knock me out at 52. Knock me out at 52. Bang. Guys, did you guys see that? Did you guys see 52? So 2 longs, 2 shorts. Bang. There is the ticket. If you guys saw this right here, guys, look at this. 52. And that is the candle that I was talking about. 600K candle. You guys see this 600K candle right here? That's the candle I'm talking about. The rest of it is going to be at 69. Look out. The rest of it is going to be at 69. But our system is we take 10% profit. We take 10% profit. 10% is a lot. 10%, if somebody told you you're going to make 10% in 20 minutes or 5 seconds, would you take it? Like BTCT, look at that. How long did it take to go from 690 to 610? 1 minute. Can you do that? We did. How long did it take from this 337 to 55? 2 minutes. Can you make 10% in 2 minutes? I can give you chart after chart from today itself. Today. So 10%, 10% twice on PRZO. Do your math. 15% average on BTCT. Then which one? I think we had one more. Oh, AMIX. AMIX. Take a look. Where is that freak? Where is that freak right now? Let's take some more out. Let's take some more out. Just took out at 88. Oh, I should have waited. Man, that spread was stupid. I put 90 and it just took 88. I should have waited. Anyway, I'm down to like 125 shares. I added 250 shares. Just cut out 125. I'm going to take another. Well, I'm going to leave it. It's in red already. But how long did it take to go from 377 right here, guys? 377 right here. This is my average right here. Okay, added. You can see this. This was an accidental add. Got my average right around 370, 380. First cut, 344. Second cut, 325. Third cut, 320. Last two cuts, 388. Is somebody snoring? Oh, wow. Seriously? Who would be snoring, guys? Guys, don't leave your mic on and snore. There's supposed to be exciting stuff, guys. Come on. There's supposed to be exciting stuff. I'm talking money here. And somebody's snoring on us. Oh my gosh. Come on, people. This is the first, guys. Somebody fell asleep while we are trading from one of our teammates. Oh my gosh. Maybe it was just a noise, okay? Let's give it a benefit. Oh my gosh. Come on, people. We're counting our money over here. I was counting money and people are sleeping. Oh my gosh. But guys, in matter of PRG, you're short anytime. I know it's been a long so far. PRZO, too much volume for you to tackle as a short, nil. All right, too much volume for you to tackle as a short, and this stock is not up enough. How are you going to short it? Let it go to 340, 345 maybe. Next areas. You know, you're not going to short at 30%, or are you? We are long on this because it was lower. If it was at 380, I don't think I was going to go long because I don't know. So when you go long, you need to catch it at the bottom. When you go short, you need to catch it at the very top. But impressive, 4 for 4. So how many plays have you guys taken it? I've taken 4. Let's hear it from people. At least 3. Everybody should have taken at least 2 longs and 1 short, either BTCT or AMIX. Okay, so let's see how many people and how many plays took a chance on getting back on AMX since you predicted that it would fall. Yes, it did. It was a fader. Yes, absolute fader it was. Absolute fader it was. Correct. You chase. I knew 340 you're going to be chasing it. I knew that. I knew that. Somehow I knew this one. 2 plays, 2 wins. 2 longs and the short. 2 longs and short. Beautiful. 3. So I'm really proud of Louisa here. Neil did, no, how many plays, Neil? I know you did AMIX and PRZO, but how many plays? Did you do 2 longs? It's the plays, number of plays. 2 longs, 1 short for Sony. That's beautiful, beautiful. So at least, yeah, I expect you guys to take at least 40%, 50%, 60% of the trades I do. I took 4. And healthy 4, by the way, guys. Very healthy 4. 2 MIX and PRZO missed BTCT. Pete. Very good work, Pete. Pete, keep up with your stuff. Rahul, where are you, my man? I missed guess. We'll look forward to market open. Yeah, because we're going to go slow down in 10 minutes. If nothing comes up, we are done in 10 minutes. Because after 9:10, we don't trade. I don't trade. But what a fabulous look on AMIX and BTCT. Both of them are open for you guys to see. And 2 longs on PRZO made our day as well. BTCT is going to be short again, guys. It just needs to be 40% and somewhere level on BTCT is not there, but is really not there. Okay, but there's one level right around 716. It's a weak level. We can play that 716. So that means 716, 740, 780 stop. Okay, you have to have a 780 stop. You have to have a thick skin to add and cut if BTCT gets to near 7 and get your average into the 740s before you stop out at 780. I always say first is the stop out. So when I'm saying right now, if you get in near 7, like say 690, you're going to think about adding and cutting all the way to 780. If you get paid from 690, it's all good. Paid is like natural. It's the stop that you have to work on. It's the stop that you have to work on. Guys, you can bail out if you want on PRZO at 220 or 225. If it drops, it's done, at least for now. Lots of volume, 20 million volume. And they have not broken it. So 27% is like literally, they're setting it up where it's like no man's land. Okay. No, Mark, you go in with a 30% size, 30% size, 30% size and play 60%, especially if it has a huge volume and it's not an A+. A+, you can go full sizes. Anything that is not A+, and we're not sure of the levels, at 740 you can go 60%, but you better be 740, 60% with your average 740 plus. You can go 60%, 80%, because you know you're going to get a stop. But if you enter at 7 and you need to make your average to 740, you're not going to be able to do it if you go half a size, because you're going to struggle. So you play 30-30 at that point. $245 again, guys. This one might do it. PRZO. This bull flag might do it. Just might do it. You guys have taken profit. 69 is the next cut. This just might get you 69 and 70s and even more. What would you do? Would you leave a remaining 30% for a big gain? What would you do? Decision time for you. This would do it. This is a bull pattern. Breaks 50s. It's definitely going 280s. But needs to break 250s here. There is a 269 area on PRZO. Does need to break it as well. But this bull flag out to do it. Okay, so this one was only 500,000. This was 500,000. A green candle. But it's a solid one. I like what it is. It's a solid candle. You know, just like downside, it's a solid. It's upside solid candle counts the same. It's pretty solid. So 52 definitely will happen. If you guys want to bail out and just say, don't thank you, and I'm going to look for short at 69 or 70 or 80, you can. I am not tempted to play short on PRZO for now. So PRZO for me was long from 2, actually all day long. Why? Because I know that stock. Is that if Israel was like bombing everybody right now, this one would have jumped to $3, $3.50 already. It's at 250, guys, again, all right? 252 here. 251. It's trying to break. These are solid candles, 300K. A lot of people are going to feel jealous. How can you call longs and short at the same time? Well, that's how it's done. That's how it's done. You can't be one trick pony.
Where did y'all get in PRZO at?
Oh boy. Wesley, where were you, man? 224. 223.
Yeah, I said I missed it already. I was just asking where y'all got in.
223. We did it twice, not once. There's a lot of sellers on this thing also every time it gets in, but these big candles aren't there yet. The 600, the 900K candle. There was one, but a solo candle is not going to help. It needs back-to-back 2 candles. It needs back-to-back 2 candles. Otherwise, it always plays the area. So it went to 252 again at 238. Holding the pattern though. The good part is holding the pattern. Good part, it's holding in 29% area, which is, I think it's pretty good. It's on the downside, meaning not selling, because it hasn't gone that far up to sell that far down. The worst is going to happen is 225 stop, 215 stop. Take it and walk away. You made your money. You're like playing with 30% size. But if it does, go ahead and stop out. I believe it has a move up. The pattern tells me there's a move up. The way they hold it for this long and just dip it little and still be interested with 500K candle, which they are. You know, let me put it up for you so you can see it. PRZO. Okay, so let me explain it to you. This is interest. Okay, when somebody's putting a 500K candle right here, that means they're interested. The biggest candle was 1.14 million. The average is 600. So that's what you go based on, 600K breakout, right? So you put a mark right around, lower it right around 630. That's your breakout candle. Now keep an eye on that. So that's how I teach you guys. That candle comes. Obviously, this is a bull pattern. This is a fluttering flag. This should have gone higher right here. This is the one where when I sold 254, it should have gone higher. Sound is off. Of course, sound is off. Somebody type in for IRA if one of the admins guys or one of the teammates. But RA still doesn't get it, that sound is the only way this works. This room works only with the sound. You're in the wrong place if you cannot listen. And you have to have it all day long because trade is going to come when it comes. I don't make the trades. Trade's going to happen. They go 3 criteria that matches for the trade to happen. One, market dictates it. Level and support resistance dictate if the stock gets there. And the price action. Is it buying, selling at that point? And we take the trade. I don't make them up. And somebody who sits within a small cap with a watch list, good luck to them. Because small caps are going to be dictating and moving on their own terms. It all depends on buyers and sellers. Market means news, what the market is trying to do. So if I were to tell you, hey, PRGO breaks 259, go short. No, I got to see what the candles are. If somebody's buying with a million candles at that point, it's so freaking long. I can't tell you to be short. Yes, 269 is a level, right? 269 is a level. I can tell you, hey, it's a great level to short, but look at what the candle at that particular time is trying to do. Is it the buyer who's taken over, or is it the sellers? Are the sellers there? Is it weak? Is it one-off? That's what you look for. So that happens when it happens by itself. I don't make it. I'm not big enough to make the market. So I get annoyed when somebody says, please keep typing. It doesn't matter who it is. I can only call them because these are not pre-planned. Yeah, we have teammates that can help each other out. So do help out when I'm telling, like, hey, we're going to go short. But even they have a difficult job. How are they going to sit by the keyboard and wait for me to say? Neil, you suggested that the software, as much as I talk, do you want all the garbage to be typed in? Do you think it's going to work? Because we thought about it like almost a year ago. So if I have a software, and as much as teaching I do during a trade, do you think is it going to be functional? It's going to type in a lot of garbage. It's going to type in a lot of garbage. And I'll tell you another fact, just in my argument. Yes, Neil. And there's going to be another thing. So when I say something, and there is no predetermined areas, and the market is doing something else, I flip from like saying, hey, 269, now we're still going to go long at PRGO. And I type in, what you're going to do with that information 3 minutes later? What exactly will you do with that information if the stock is already shot up or gone down? What exactly will you do? And I should understand, everybody should understand that. What exactly will you do with that information 3 minutes later if it's typed in the room? This room is live and it's based on what happens in the market. Best way is to listen in 1 ear. You can do other things. The best thing to do is listen in 1 ear. Don't take all the trades. Don't. Not in favor of you taking every single trade that I call. I'm going to call 19 trades like yesterday, 19 and 0. I'm going to call 19 trades. You don't have to get 6 of them, 5 of them, 4 of them. You'd be a winner. This is another 600K candle, guys. Now, if it gets backed up by another 600K candle, this is 69 coming up. All right. Nope, did not get backed out. Not yet. Somebody's considering this area. So what they're looking at it right now is this right here. That's what they're looking at. So somebody's being very careful with that 252 right there. But that is a 600 plus K candle. Exactly, Neil. Yeah. 3 minutes later, that info is no good. If somebody types in, if you're having a hard, I'll tell you that. If you're listening and because of the accent, you're not able to understand what exactly have I said, please do ask. What did you say? Which ticker is it? Like Wesley would ask or somebody else would ask. That's reasonable. Because in a fast moment, you don't catch the sound. I don't catch the sound even from Benzinga or even from AI talking, what exactly they said. Because your mind is in 10 different places, and that's doable. Somebody can type in and help each other out. Another teammate can say, hey, this is AIFF or AMIX or BTCT. If they understood it, they can help. And you should help each other out. If somebody's asking, what ticker is that? What ticker was that? That is acceptable level. But to say that, can somebody type in, what exactly are we playing? Wow. Giorgio is still looking at that level right there at 52. And very tiny, every one candle. They're not backing it up with another candle. 23 million volume, guys. They're setting it up for the market time move. They're setting it up for a market time giant move. They are setting it up. They're setting it up. But there will also be a very big short on this one, PRZO. So what is PRZO is going to do? Let me tell you. Let me explain it to you. They're going to come up with nearly a million volume candle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, possibly 6 candles. Squeeze it as high as they can. Dip it a little bit. Squeeze another one with a similar or lesser volume. Then from there on, it's down, 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 down. I expect, let's see, let's review this really quick, okay? How far they will do and what they will do, okay? So first of all, you see how good this is. I didn't even see this, but you could see how good this resistance is right there. Why do you think it's flattening out at 252? Take a look. Take a look at 52. So when this thing touches more than 5 times, we call it a gold level. Just on 1 hour, how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and today is 7. That's 7 times, guys. 7 times it's rejecting. That's pretty fabulous. It's platinum. That's why it's having extremely hard time breaking 252. Now, how far will they go with the 2? So here's the 282 here. So there, actually, I said 289, 269, but it's actually 282. All right, let's lower it a little. Right there. That's what that is. So it's 277. This is 277. So one pump from 230 should get to somewhere around 304, then 337. So our best bet on a short is going to be around 340, 335 entry, 365 add, 380 stop. By then, you hope to see that 700K volume candle has taken its share out all the way up to that point. Like maybe possibly total count of about 11 to 12 in between that time. But right now, you can see why it's rejecting 52. I already showed it to you. Look at this. It keeps rejecting that. Is it a short? Heck, if you want 14 cents, yeah, go for it. You want 14 cents, go for it. That's what it is. Volume is 23 million volume. This is long. It's holding 20s. And it's not a huge long. 340s, I think it should do it. By then, it should be up 65%. Let's see what the market trend is like. As of now, the market trend is top 5 tickets are barely up 46% average. Top 5 gappers. That means it's a short market. Even if it's 80%, it's a short market. 110, 120 gets a little difficult, but still a short market. Anything over 160 average, top 5, it's a long market. How do I know this? Well, come join our conversation. We'll keep teaching you all that. That's why we have 87% winning rate. And it came from doing a lot of observations, a lot of trades. Over how many trades have we taken? Amita, can you tell how many trades we have taken in last year? Between January and, or Amita or anybody, AKS, anybody. If you can tell how many trades we have taken in 1 year itself. I don't know if she's online. Let me see. Yeah, she's there. How many trades have we taken? I can even look it up too. Hold on, guys. There's, I have like few scanners, not 3 months. So this should be, which one is the full scanner? Let's see if this is a full one. Let's see if she's already answered it because she's good at it. 3,300 trades, 3,300 plus trades, guys. Thank you, Amita. So we have taken 3,300 trades, and you have basically what, 200 some odd days of trading, 250 odd days. You divide that, you're talking about 12 to 13 trades a day. Okay, so we take about 13 to 14 trades average, and since October last year, the average has gone up to 25 or 22 per day, guys. All right, guys, people who joined us live, thank you again. Please, all of you guys, anybody who was live, and if you liked it, at least click on the like button. Doesn't matter what platform you're in, YouTube, don't forget to click on a like. I still haven't seen the likes go up. I still have not. I only see 1 or 2 likes every single day. That's all I do. Why you guys even go there? So please like and share with your friends. And thank you again. See you guys tomorrow. Appreciate it. Thank you so much. All right, guys. Let me turn off the live feed. It's 9:10 now. Another few seconds and we'll turn it off. Thank you again.